Hello students, today we will deal a question of NEET from classical genetics. Okay. Now see what is the question. Round seed trait capital R is dominant over wrinkled small r seed trait in P. In pea plant, round seed is dominant over wrinkled seed. Round seed is denoted by capital R or big R, and the recessive trait, that is wrinkled seed, is denoted by small r. Alright. Heterozygous round seeded plant, that is capital R and small r, is crossed with wrinkled seed plant, that is a pair of small r. Okay. What is the possible progeny? So in this question, what are the parents? The parents are your one heterozygous round seeded plant and another homozygous wrinkled seeded plant. So to solve this question, let us write what are the parents here. One parent is this, okay, and another parent is this. All right, this is round seeded plant, this one is round seeded plant, and this one is wrinkled seeded plant. Okay, this is in heterozygous condition because there is one dominant and one recessive allele is there, and here it is, this parent is in homozygous. Okay, for this trait both the R are small, so recessive. Now the gamete formed by this parent will be of two types. Okay, gametes formed by this parent will be of two types. One is with capital R, because we know that during gamete formation the alleles of a gene get segregated into different gametes. So one R will go, that is capital R will go to one gamete and small r will go to another gamete. Okay, so two types of gametes will be formed, and in this parent you will get only one type of gamete, that is having small r only. Okay, now if we cross these gametes, okay, what will be the possible progeny? Suppose this gamete fuses with that, we will get capital R, small r, and this gamete fuses with this, will get both small r. Okay, all right. So now these are the progenies, these are the possible progenies. Okay, now see we are getting two types of progenies. One is with capital R, small r, that is heterozygous dominant, and another homozygous recessive. Okay, just like the parents, and in the ratio, so these plants will be of round seeded, not round seeded. Okay, because capital R is there, dominant trait is there, so round seeded, and these plants will be of wrinkled seeded. Okay, so what is the ratio of these two types of plants, round seeded and wrinkled seeded? We are seeing that 50% of the plants will be of round seeded and 50% of the plants will be of wrinkled seeded. So the ratio is 1:1. Alright. Now from the options we have to see in which option we are getting 1:1 ratio. Okay, 1:1 ratio. First option you see 302 round and 102 wrinkled. So there is no 1:1 ratio. In the second option you see 210 round and 95 wrinkled. Again there is no 1:1 ratio. In the third option you see 103 round and 99 wrinkled. This is not exactly 1:1 but nearest to 1:1 ratio. And option 4 is very different, 103 round and 315 wrinkled. So no 1:1 ratio. So here possible answer will be option 3, 103 round and 99 wrinkled. Why? Because this is nearly 1:1, 103 and 99, very less difference. Okay, so nearly this option is 1:1 ratio. So the correct option will be, or the correct answer will be 103 round and 99 wrinkled. Okay, I think you have understood this. Okay, thank you.